Hi, this is Shelly Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Marcum MicroCap conference here at the Grand Hyatt in New York City. I have Vishal Gupta of Rimrock Gold Corp, symbol RMRK. It's a publicly traded company. Vishal, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much for having me on the show.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
Let's get right into it. An overview like we're flying over the properties because it's a gold company.
That's right, it is. And we have 3 properties. All 3 of them are based in Nevada. And if you know a little bit of mining history, Nevada in the last 55 years has produced over 200 million ounces of gold. So if there's one jurisdiction in the world that you want to be for exploring and producing gold, you want to be in Nevada.
And where in Nevada?
So most of the 200 million ounces in the last 55 years that have been produced from Nevada have been produced on the Carlin Trend and on the Getchell Trend. And our 3 properties are right on the intersection of either one of those 2.
So I've actually been to the Carlin Trend.
You have.
So I know, I've walked the property. What makes your property differentiate from some of your neighbors?
Well, what I'll say is that we are one of the largest, Rimrock is one of the largest landholders when it comes to junior mining companies in Nevada. So that's one thing that sets us apart. And secondly, the quality of the projects that we have, the surface signatures that we have from the geological mapping that we've done, matches some of the largest deposits that Nevada hosts.
So what's your background?
I'm a geologist. I have a master's in geology from the University of Toronto in Canada, and I've worked for about 3 or 4 different junior exploration companies all over the world. And for the last 4 years, I've been working as a mining analyst and as an investment banker for 4 different capital markets firms. So I've been around the block a few times. I understand the business side of things, the finance side of things, and I also do understand the mining industry technicals.
That's a very interesting background. So you know the money and you know the ground. Very, very important. So let me ask you, when are you going to begin your drill program?
As soon as we can. We have already done the initial mapping and geophysical surveys on our flagship property, which is a Rimrock property, which is only about 18 kilometers away from the Hollister mine and only 7 kilometers away from the Midas mine. And what we're looking to do is raise a little bit of cash so that we can actually go and hit this as hard as we can with an initial drill program.
So when you walk properties like this, you look for anomalies. I'm sure that you're finding anomalies basically throughout Nevada. You find them. When you go onto this territory, and it sounds like it's a large territory, are there old mines around on the property? Because that's very significant.
Well, on our flagship property, which is a Rimrock property, what we do have is 3 historic mercury mines. And mercury, thallium, antimony, these are all very, very strong signatures for deeper bound gold mineralization. And so the fact that we have 3 historic mines on our flagship property tells us that there's a huge potential for a massive deposit underneath.
Now, what is your website?
Our website is rimrockgold.com, and we have the full presentation over there for anyone who's looking for additional information. By all means, please visit us over there, and we can help answer any questions through our Q&A.
Smart guy, ladies and gentlemen. Vishal Gupta, Rimrock Gold Corp, publicly traded company. The symbol is RMRK. I'm Shelly Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Marcum MicroCap conference at the Grand Hyatt Hotel in New York City. I want to thank you for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you for having me over.
Nice to meet you.